Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Betway Premiership game number 15. Mamelodi Sundowns collecting maximum points. Polokwane against Isikhukhune. Late goals from the defending champions, making sure ukuthi baya ku 32 points. After 15 games, 9 wins. A couple of draws, but only just one loss of the season. But namhlanje benze sure ukuthi bayawuvula umsandza between bona with whoever obalandelayo kwi-Betway Premiership this season. Bendibukela noBobo lo mdlalo. Bobuzini, how are you feeling, my brother?
I'm good, Shane. All right, when out.
How are you feeling?
No, I'm feeling better. I'm good.
You feeling better?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm feeling better, my brother.
Okay, okay. Umuntu ofila better ngumuntu bengekho right. Bukha
Yes,
ube right.
bengekho right.
What's wrong?
Ungaba right ku 90 minutes. Ubona kudlalwa nje. Sengiyasho but now bengekho right. Busho ukuthi no man le game yapora Shane. Or wena bo right ku 90 minutes ngalo.
Jomam, uthi bengekho right 90 minutes yong up until the 92nd minute, then wakrent.
No, angisho sengiyazi ukuthi okay manje at least sizawukhona ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sishayise emsebenzini sihambe Shane. Siyo rest mnganami. Yazi.
Ubone njalo umdlalo mhlobo namhlanje?
Shane ithi ngibulisa uthanda ngibulise namadoda la studio Brian.
Sure.
Yeah. Shane. Yazi mangibukela le game cishe ngibukela igame engiyibone kuSikhukhune against Orlando Pirates. The way ngibone yakhona. Just that ama changes nje ungathi uyabheka mehluko obelapho ukuthi Pirates uyazi ukuthi team edlala ngespeed but game plan yeSikhukhune United cishe yafana ne-game plan afike ngayo ucoach Eric Tinkler ku-Orlando Pirates. Unfortunately Pirates ayizange i-convert lawo ama-chances beyiloko iwa-creator.
Yeah.
But Sundowns ngiyacabanga ukuthi the last 3 minutes abayitholile kuleya additional time 1991-93 bakhona uku-convert lawo ama-chances but for me bengibukele i-draw kuleya game Shane. The way game icale ngakhona bekubonakala ukuthi sizoceda le game nge-draw because ngibone the way number 1 ngizocala ngeteam efana neSikhukhune.
Yeah.
Team efana neSikhukhune beba show ukuthi bayidinga i-draw. The way ubona baqale ngakhona le game. Uma ungayibheka Shane, unfortunately i-right back uMatsimbu uyawathola injury but bekuyi game plan yabo ukuthi okay kumele ukuthi si defend ngoMatsimbi sinomdlali in the middle la emuva ofana noCaroso ohamba noNdlovu uBright Ndlovu bese basebenzisa uLiklapa ku left but ungayibheka kunomdlali uLanga Shane lo bamlanda ukuthi mabuya kumele uvuya azokuphusha kancane cover le space lesila kule defense ukuthi kungabi nama pockets njengoba ngihlala ngibona ukuthi ayifuni ukuthi create lama pockets then umncube akwazi ukubuya kubuye nophiri noma babuya labadlali labo babheka ababuyi wide babuya bazovala lenkundla la phakathi bazothola khona umkhize nomnari so that bakwazi ukuthi baba u5 la emuva baba u4 uGrobla enzeni athi step lamabhola so uyibonile ukuthi ibasebenzele abadlali beSikhukhune bebaloko always mabaluza ball position babuye bazokhipha leya shape ucoach afuna ukuthi bayikhiphe laba badlali but bebanganayo igame plan yokuya phambili. Yes, ila ngibone khona second half ngathi bafuna ukubamba iSundowns kayi2 ngalawa ama counter but is first half ubonile I think bathole i-shot on target nge50 minutes babiya ku second half. First half bekungana nikusenzakala kuSikhukhune and I remember idlala ekhaya so uyabona ukuthi igame plan yabo ukuthi no guys asingcono sithola i-draw kule qembu lifana neMamelodi Sundowns so kusho kona ukuthi igame plan yabo beyisebenzile Shane kule 90 minutes lack of concentration dying minute you know mabaphakamisa le board sometimes ungumdlali kukhona lokuclick enqondweni yakho sometimes abanye abadlali batop up lela gear abanye ba relaxa because basitshela ukuthi no igame iphelile so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ne lack of concentration lapha emuva ibalimazile the way ngibone by break ngakhona leya defense yeSikhukhune ngiyacabanga ukuthi bese isitshela ukuthi okay igame iphelile Shane the way bebadlala ngakhona but
so namhlanje they are losing concentration today they are losing concentration xa bebona iboard
with a dying minute
in dying minutes.
Yes.
They didn't lose concentration over the weekend.
Bayiluzile over the weekend but Pirates ayizange isebenzise lawo mathuba.
Usho kanjalo.
Bayiluzile la khona sibelebile ayitholile ichance phakathi eboxing.
Fair enough.
But they failed Orlando Pirates to convert their chance.
Fair enough.
So but Sundowns ikhonile ukusebenzisa lela thuba Shane.
Now Bobo khangiqalele. Nisuka kwi-FIFA break as a coach Eric Tinkler, you didn't even have a single player beyodlala kubafana bafana. uyabuya udlala neStellenbosch, you lose your first game. Udlala nePirates, you collect a point. Playing against Sundowns, you lose another 3 points, meaning that now they lost 2 in their last 3 games. Ithele ukuthini lona ngocoach Eric Tinkler, because if siyakhumbula even before avale kuyo kulandeka kwi-AFCON, he was not doing well. Uyabuya again, he's still not doing well. Can we expect breaking news mhlawumbe this week or maybe next week?
Yeah, Shane, unfortunately Shane, abaphathi bamaqembu basemzansi abathatha isikhathi ukuhambisa ucoach, especially kulama team afana nalawo. The likes of Abu Chipa abathatha isikhathi ukuhambisa ucoach. So indaba isikhukhuni Shane, ngayikhuluma kusase early ngathi mina uyakhumbula isikhukhuni isileader lapha phezulu position 1 ngasho ngathi bona badlale kahle for ukuthi babe ku top 8 because I know Shane ukuthi abadlali njengamanje babuya ku break badlali baba rust Shane uma ngabe mhlawumbe njengoba ngisho ukuthi if bebangekho busy ngokudlala mhlawumbe ama game mhlawumbe la mhlawumbe ba organize leona sometimes abanye badlali aba affect break abanye sibayenza babe right Shane. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nako lokho basazo pick up, but you pick up ku second round la khona sekunzima khona Shane. La khona wonke umuntu abheke noma ngabe iliphi iphuzu alifunayo ufuna ulisebenzisa. So kule answer ya coach Eric Tinkler ngiyacabanga ukuthi Shane kungaba nzima man uma ngabe mhlawumbe bathi ibhanchi lingagcwala umoya, but so far so good because bheka lama team mhlawumbe a draw now a loser kuwo ukuthi ama team kanjani. Yes, Stellenbosch, you can say no, Stellenbosch silapha egcineni, but mawungabheka iquality nabo yabadlali. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ungamnikeza sometimes mhlawumbe le doubt ukuthi no man lama team aceda ukumudla nalama team a draw kuwo. Ama team esicanga ukuthi ane quality enough ukuthi angawa loser lawo ma game, but ukwazi ukuthi banjani mhlawumbe baphathi balamaqembu Shane. So uma ngangena Shane esayidini le team efana neMamelodi Sundowns, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ube nenhlanhla ucoach Cardoso ukuthi athole lama results ngendlela ngibone a rotate ngakhona le team. It's good to rotate abadlali Shane, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi le number rotate ngayo kulabo abadlali is too much because umdlali ngicabanga ukuthi ngathi unokuthola game time usales kule team. Ulunga you can't say uyayithola game time because unokuthi ahlale ebenchini. Bonke labadlali abalapha from ku-Onyango abadlali abalapha akusibadlali abathola game time kuMamelodi Sundowns. So uma urotate le team obvious ikhona la izolahleka khona chemistry Shane because kunabadlali ozobadinga mhlambe kuleyo lineup, and angisho ukuthi akenzanga kahle ukunikeza abanye abadlali ichance, banikezile ichance, but ngicabanga ngathi mawubaletha babaningi Shane sometimes sizobona ngathi abanye abadlali abenzi kahle because of baleki game time labo badlali. Liningi lebadlali leki game time, you understand? So cishe Shane I draw le game uma ungabheka okay, give credit kumasapa wayenzile ukuletha labo badlali abafana nabo Aubrey badlala abafana nabo noKhuliso. I think Khuliso he's the one owenza ukuthi iSundowns at the end of the day iphume nalama point ephume nawo Shane lapha ePulukwane because ube ne secondary assist kulela bhola la kaShasha before kuzoba naleya second ball azolheader uLeon. Ungayibheka naleya assist ye cutback ngihlala ngikutshela ukuthi uSailor ugood ngama cutback uma yenza ama box entries ilento esidinga kuSailor. Give us something offensive wena Shane. Not to say you must always go forward ungasinikeza nix. Sometimes nikeza something sibone ukuthi okay kushona ukuthi ukuoverlapa kwakho kusinikeza something. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi udlale kahle kakhulu today uma afika umdlalo ofana noKhuliso wena Shane. Ngidingeza nabadlali abafana nabo Rusino. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ubonakala ngathi ba quiet la khona kunabo Mkhulisi kulomdlalo ofana noJayden, but after abuyile uJayden wazohlala phambi kwale defense yabo Johannes ngibonile ukuthi manje sekila kumele ku rotate khona le switch play ayinikeza umndawo kusho kona ukuthi more abona ukuthi ba overload ngapha njengoba lack of concentration kule team esikhukhuni u switch play because uyabona ukuthi ba overload le side, but into engithandile ukuranela kulela box kwaka Leon kwaka Matthews umdlalo ofana noShasha. Ngiyacabanga na iShasha ungene wenza impact Shane kuleya team, you understand? So nako lokho kwenze ukuthi ubone ukuthi okay uyabona ukuthi okay manje akusana nix ekumele ukuthi ngcono attack more. So give credit kuma decision afana nalawo because at the end of the day badlala ngaphansi kwalama instruction abanikeza wona. If ufuna inamba eboxini uzobanikeza inamba eboxini. So yeah, ngiyacabanga ukuthi Sundowns collected la maximum point chain, but it was not easy the way be defending ngakhona i team efana nesikhukhuni.
Yeah, Bobzin, ngosi kakhulu mhlaba for your analysis. Peter Mokaba Stadium, and lapho ke Sundowns bedlala khona ke nesikhukhune. Isengo first round, remember that game it was supposed to be played just before AFCON, but it was postponed because Sundowns dlala ke CAF Champions League. Now sizaphinda sibone again in a couple of weeks time Sundowns will play against isikhukhune Loftus. But no, Isengo first leg, even though Sundowns hit ngo first leg, abashekule 15 more games. Tomorrow there's a game Toyota Stadium, not Toyota. What's the name of the stadium? Dr. Molemela Stadium, yeah. Where Kaizer Chiefs is a Samkelo Gepa, Marumo Gallants, San Patela Naulom Shaloka with Diski TV. But Damsanje Sundowns 2, Sekhukhune United 0. Thank you so much for watching Diski TV.
All about Fetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Diski TV.